Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Scrape off wet paint with a spoon or dull knife, blot. Don't rub to lift surface product. Once done, check the garment tag and test your chosen solvent on a hidden seam so you don't ruin fabric. Make sure to shift the fabric onto a towel with the stain facing down to push paint out, not deeper. You'll need different supplies for water-based versus oil-based paint, so sort those now and move to step 2. You treat the stain based on paint type. For water-based paint, flush cold water through the back of the stain and apply liquid detergent, then rub gently. For thicker spots, a 1:1 vinegar and water soak helps break film. Once done, for oil-based paint, dab a small amount of mineral spirits or acetone on cloth and blot. Avoid spreading and ventilate the room. Make sure to work from the fabric back toward the stain, use a soft brush to lift residue, and repeat rinse-treat cycles until it fades. You finish by washing the garment per the care label using the warmest safe temperature and a quality detergent. Make sure to air dry rather than use a dryer until you confirm the stain is gone. Once done, if faint residue remains, reapply the chosen solvent and repeat treatment. Do not heat set a stain with a dryer because heat makes removal much harder. If you encounter dried or stubborn paint, consider carefully picking the bulk away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.